Hey curl friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell and I'm back for week 2 of my detox. As I said in the first video, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys my experience. And this is prior to me partnering with a Cut It Kinky alum. I'm using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Rich and Funky Moisturizing Cleanser. It's supposed to cleanse your hair while also replenishing the moisture. The key ingredients in this product are comfrey, rosemary, willow bark, and kelp. Comfrey contains allantoin, which helps stimulate hair growth. Willow bark extract stimulates cell growth and has excellent astringent qualities. And calendula's anti-inflammatory properties combat tissue degeneration and leave hair nourished and manageable. On the bottle, I love how it says, keep the junk in the trunk. It is free of mineral oils, parabens, synthetic dyes, sulfates, and phthalates. On the website, it says it's truly a sulfate-free foamy cleanser that delivers loads of moisture and it has detangling effects. One thing that I can appreciate about this detox and learning techniques to improve your wash day, you can sort of detangle your hair while using a quality shampoo. No, I'm not taking a brush and combing or brushing my hair while the shampoo's in, but you know, you separate your hair and kind of detangle it with your fingers while the shampoo is in, raking your fingers through your hair and all that. So I can appreciate that because in the past, the shampoos that I've used, you cannot do that. And even in this video, you can see I'm like really excited about the little definition that I'm getting with shampoo in my hair. Like that's unheard of for me. So yeah, this has been amazing so far. I'm liking it. And we'll see how it continues as I continue on my new healthy hair journey. Then I'm going in with the Richie Rich Hydrating Conditioner. It nurtures and repairs dry, thirsty curls. And some of the key ingredients are oils, which we're not supposed to be doing, but the key ingredients listed here are sunflower oil, shea butter, avocado oil, and palm kernel oil. And of course, now that I'm looking at it, one of the first 5 ingredients is an oil, which is the sunflower seed oil. Again, this is free of all the junk, so no parabens, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic dyes, mineral oils. And you're supposed to use this from root to end on your hair, massage your scalp, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also choose to deep condition. You cover it with a plastic cap and apply heat for 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm reading one of the cards that came with the Crystal Clean kit. And it tells a little bit about Uncle Funky's Daughter as a brand. Long before green was the new black, eco was friendly and it was cool to reuse. Our products were designed as vegan-friendly, sustainable, all-natural hair care products to serve the blossoming curly hair market. Their product line includes cleansers, conditioners, moisturizers, curl definers, stylers that use renewable plant resources of aloe, coconut, and oil and olive as bases. They recognize that every curl is not the same, so they design systems that define and moisturize your curls based on curl pattern, density, and porosity. And we know that curl pattern isn't the most important thing. Other characteristics such as density, porosity, etc. can maybe better pinpoint different things that are going on with your hair. This one I did use as a deep conditioner, so I left it on my head for about 30 or so minutes. For some reason, my hair felt a little tangled after rinsing the conditioner out, so that's why you see me going in with a comb to try to detangle it a little bit more after using conditioner, which is not really great. I typically try to do all my detangling with the conditioner in because it has the most slip at that point. So it's better for your hair to detangle with conditioner in. Can we stop and appreciate this curl definition in the back of my head? Oh, that's actually the front, but I'm turned to where my back is facing the camera. I'm really excited about this healthy hair journey because I want to have more curl definition. I want to be able to wear my hair in its natural curly state and not have to alter it by doing a twist out or braid out. So I'm really excited about this journey, and don't mind me, but I get really excited when my hair is defined like this. So anyways, I'm going ahead and styling it. As always, I like to do twist out. I twisted my hair up using the Miracle Moisture Cream. It's supposed to stretch, curls, add shine, and hydrates. And again, ingredients have oils in them, but this is all I had to start my detox, so this is what I used. And then I went in with the curl stimulator, and I later learned that I probably shouldn't be using this product with the twist out that I'm doing. The curl stimulator is usually used for wash and goes, and it's also $27. So yeah, this is just me not really knowing anything about anything really. And this is just because I'm so used to doing the LCO method. I always use a gel to twist up my hair to get that extra hold. But you know, I'm learning new things every day, and it's really interesting and intriguing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, I do have a picture. I don't have a video of like the final results, but I do have pictures, and I'm going to share them with you now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you are interested in seeing how my hair progresses. Like I mentioned in the last video, I have already been doing the detox right now for about 2 months, so I'm just a little behind in sharing my results. But if you're interested in seeing how my hair transitions and changes as a result of doing a detox, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell to be notified the next time that I post. And also go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and potentially share this video out to all of your girlfriends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.